Good afternoon, all the BS Part second students. Today, practical it is on the that is from physiology, effect of different concentrations of auxins, that is IAA, on seed germination. The aim of this experiment is to study the effect of different concentration of IAA on seed germination. The IAA, it is that is indole 3 acetic acid. It is one of the auxin. It is a growth promoting hormone. It is synthesized in the meristematic regions of shoot and root. It plays important and multi-sided role in many physiological activities such as cell division, cell elongation, root formation, seed germination, stem elongation, and parthenocarpic fruit development. The requirements for this experiment: the seeds of dicot, that is moong, matki, then distilled water, IAA solution, that is IAA powder, petri dishes, blotting paper, pipette, etc. The procedure of this experiment: first, prepare the various concentrations of IAA solutions such as 10 ppm, 20 ppm, 30 ppm, and 50 ppm. ppm means parts per million. How will you prepare the 10 ppm solution of IAA? For preparation of 10 ppm IAA solution, take the 10 milligram of IAA powder and it can dissolve in 1 liter of distilled water. It is the solution which is formed, it is the 10 ppm solution. Like that wise, the 20 ppm, 30 ppm and 50 ppm solutions, they can be prepared. Then after preparing these solutions of ppm, take 5 sets of clean petri dishes, place the blotting paper at the bottom of the petri dish and label them as a control, like that. The control. Then the 10 ppm, 20 ppm, 30 ppm and 50 ppm. All these petri dish can be labeled as the 10, 20, 30 and 50 ppm IAA. Then take 50 healthy seeds of the matki and treat them 0.1% mercury chloride for surface sterilization. Then keep 10 seeds to the each petri dish and then pour 5 to 10 ml of the distilled water in first petri dish and labeled as control. In the same manner, add 5 to 10 ml IAA solutions in the respective petri dishes and label as 10 ppm, 20 ppm, 30 ppm and 50 ppm respectively. Then keep the treated seeds in petri dish for germination, that is about the 24 hours in dark place, that is about 5 days. After 5 days, then remove the lids of each petri dish after 5 days. After these are kept in here, the 5 days can be also over, and like that this growth can be observed after the 5 days, that is about 120 120 hours, and then germination percentage can be find out. Then we have taken the 10, this is the control plate. In that control plate, how many seeds they can be germinated? In this petri dish we can observe how many seeds they can germinate. Here 4 seeds they can be germinated. In the 10 ppm there is how many seeds they can be germinated? Here there is about the 8 seeds they can be germinated. In the 20 ppm then there is 9 seeds they can be germinated. Only 1 seeds, these seeds they cannot be germinated. In this that is in the 30 ppm there is how many seeds germinated? Here the 7 seeds they can be germinated. 8 seeds they can be germinated. And here in case of the 50 ppm there is 5 seeds they can be germinated. 4 to 5 seeds they can be germinated. And according to this the germination percentage can be find out. And for germination to for the finding out germination percentage, the formula is the total number of seeds germinated divided by total number of seeds taken into 100. By using this formula the germination percentage can be calculated, and this they can be calculated and they can be write into the observation table. And this is the observation table, and into that observation table there is the first serial numbers in first column, second column treatment, third column total number of seeds taken, in fourth column total number of seeds germinated, in fifth column germination percentage. In case of the one that is control, there is we have taken 10 seeds. Out of that 4 seeds are germinated and germination percentage is 40%. And like that in the 10 ppm there is 80% seeds germinated. Then 20 ppm 90% seeds are germinated. In 30 ppm 70% seeds are germinated. And in 50 ppm that is out of 10 5 seeds are germinated, and the percentage of germination that is 50%. And result is that the germination percentage and root length are maximum in lower concentration of IAA. And conclusion is that it clearly indicates that the lower concentration of IAA it can promotes the growth of roots, and higher concentration of IAA it can reduce the growth or it can inhibit the growth. In this way, this is about the IAA experiment by treatment given, that is IAA, that is indole 3-acetic acid, and it shows the different concentration of IAA. The germination percentage is also variable. At the low concentration of IAA it shows more germination percentage, and high concentration of the IAA that is 50 ppm it can shows very less percentage of germination. ओके, तर हा एक्सपेरिमेंट कसा आहे, 5 पेट्री डिश घ्यायच्या, 5 मध्ये प्रत्येकात 10 सीड्स मोजून घ्यायचे, त्यातले किती जर्मिनेट झालेले आहेत ते बघायचे, आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये हे प्रत्येक ppmचं सोल्यूशन आपण तयार करून ठेवलेलं होतं. ते आज आपण हे 5 दिवसानंतर आज आपण ओपन केलेलं आहे. तर हा एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे IAAचा, इफेक्ट ऑफ डिफरंट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ IAA ऑन सीड जर्मिनेशन.